Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark. So, if you're having this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to open YouTube app. So to fully understand this issue, the first thing that you need to know is that some apps actually use your phone theme. So if your theme on your phone is dark and you have some apps like YouTube, it will actually automatically get the dark theme. So to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to click on your profile picture on the down right, and then you need to click on the gear icon on the top right. After that, hit on general, and now from here you need to click on appearance. So from here you need to actually make sure that you don't use the device theme like this, as see everything turned dark, and in some phones this could cause some glitches. So you need to click on light theme from here, and this will fix all of your issues. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.